Let's try the video.
So are you guys Democrats or Republicans?
Libertarian.
What?
Yeah.
Which one of you looked at my website?
I do.
You do. What are you looking at Liberal America for?
Just because. We use different sources.
Oh, okay. Because you're libertarian?
Yes,
Why?
Because
What do you like about that dogma, for lack of a better word?
I don't know.
That philosophy.
I don't know.
Well, why are you
Oh, this is
libertarian?
one of her political
Because I feel like Republican and Democrat are just two kind of extreme sides.
What do you like about the Libertarian Party?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
You're not sure.
I don't know. I don't know if I was be asking political questions tonight.
How about you?
Same as Mike.
You're a libertarian. Why? What do y'all know about the Libertarian Party? Let's just get that out of the way. Look, Shelton. Y'all research it. I'll be back in 30 minutes, okay?
Oh, okay.
We're leaving 10.
I'll be back in 5.